everyone, welcome to Maya's channel. Now the name are changed to my real Maya channel. So today I'm going to show you something in my outdoor kitchen and what exactly I'm doing and how it is useful to me and to everyone, especially for vegetarians. Of course, for non-vegetarians this is very routine, but people think what we will do in vegetarian stuff, but there is lots. Let's see. I'm growing a tomato plant in container. It's flowering. Okay, let me show you my outdoor kitchen. This is fridge, and we have like stove with the burners and skillet, and we have water which has hot and cold water, and here it is barbecue. So barbecue in India, it's very olden days stuff, like it's coming from many years. So like my mom used to always talk to me how they were doing in their childhood. So I was very curious to do them and even to eat them. Like I always developed a taste for them. So today I'm going to barbecue all these veggies. So here are capsicums and peppers and red tomatoes and cauliflower and some potatoes and garlic and onion. Let's see what I'm going to do. Here I already turned on the heat, the flame, and when it's really hot you can see the meter over here, and I'm going to first clean this. I'm using my brush to clean this well. Looks good. We need some preps before doing this. Like for potatoes, I put some holes. Like with knife I've done, you can do with a fork too. Like for me, knife is very easy. And for garlic, you need to pour some oil on it. I'm barbecuing my veggies. These are potatoes. I'm just turning them. Capsicums. These are sweet potatoes. These are beetroots, tomatoes, already tomatoes, capsicums, brinjal, onion and green chilies. This is red capsicum. Tomato. I'm just putting in front so that I can pick it up. It's raining, so still it's okay because it will be covered with lid. Allow this barbecue veggies, and it's very handy. Like I use most of them in my cooking. You can check out my recipes. So it's a boon for ladies like who really cooks every day. This really cuts down our time. It's just one time, and every meal you can have your fresh stuff. These are garlic. Just put some oil into it. Onions. And lots of green chilies. This is brinjal. I put some holes with the pork. I put some holes with the pork and the brinjal or eggplant. Actually, I'm boiling my chena also in this. I'm going to cover with the lid, and it's 250, and I'll wait till it becomes 400 and check it up again. So I got some of them inside and I'm peeling them. So these are green capsicums. So these are chilies, tomatoes. I put all in separate boxes. I'll put these peels to the plants. If you like my videos, share with your friends and subscribe my channel for new notification. Until then, bye.